Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to an academy for your CAT preparation. Yes, high time. ठीक है. Uh, CAT today is what? Today is 30th of September. CAT is not more than 2 months down the lane. Chalo, we started it. All the technical checks are done. Technical checks. Okay, sure. I'll take this. Fine. In the light of that, I have my daily classes on YouTube on an academy platform, an academy YouTube channel from 9 p.m. and most probably in the morning as well. Meanwhile, I have planned कि those who have missed या फिर ठीक है by any reason started off late, they should not miss. Yeah, nobody should miss the preparation. So I planned कि why not have this thing. Why not discuss of basics of when in detail? Why when? Why not any other topic? Because अगर आप अभी शुरू कर रहे हो तो you need to prioritize your topics. Venn diagrams is undoubtedly the king. There will be a question from Venn diagram. लिख कर ले लो कहीं भी. There will be a question from Venn diagram. कुछ भी हो जाए Venn diagram का question रहेगा. There would be a question. Pattern कितना भी change कर लो, ठीक है? Because as trend suggests, वो हमेशा आता है. We'll start today's basics. This lecture would be mostly dedicated on theory part. And last में दो चार basic question करेंगे to understand what we have learned in theory. Okay? Great, awesome. So most of you know me by today. My name is Ashish Kumar. What's the problem with my pen? My name is Ashish Kumar. I'm an ex-time faculty. I've got 8 years of experience of teaching logical reasoning and data interpretation. I've been teaching this horrifying subject. I'm teaching this horrifying subject since last 8 long years. Starting from 2017, every year I have produced. Every year I have produced a student who scores more than 99.9 plus percentile. Yes, boys, let's be viral under this hashtag cat live daily. Wonderful team of people. You are aware of most of them. Pratik Ambassador sir who takes quant, Amit Surana sir who takes quant. What's the problem? Bobby ma'am who takes care of verbal. I do take care of logical reasoning. And Harpreet ma'am, she takes care of verbal as well. We have wonderful set of faculties. The technical check has to be done continuously. Yeah. Sure. Those who are new and haven't joined the family on Telegram, I do recommend please do that ना. Telegram पे join an academy cat का channel. We have crossed 2300 subscribers. We are not subscribers, we are not members, we are family members. आपको मिलेगा क्या वहां पे बेटा? आपको सारे लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे वहां पे, सारे नोट्स मिल जाएंगे आपको वहां पे. एंड यस, जो भी मेजर एग्जामिनेशन है उसके नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे आपको वहां पे. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, you can interact with me over there. If you want to connect with me, I'm an admin on the Telegram channel. You can drop me messages personally for any of the queries that you have. I'll deal that. I'm comfortable with everything. Subscription. Sir, why do we need subscription? Beta, subscription is required to boost your preparation. It's not a coaching. I'm not saying it's a coaching. Coaching is like they are dedicated to only one aspect of your preparation. We are interested in all the aspects. In what ways? Dekho, we provide you live lectures. from 50 plus educators. Arey sir, educator. Arey beta, Arun Sharma sir is one of them. Meenakshi Upadhyay, man. If you don't know who is Meenakshi Upadhyay, you are not preparing for CAT. Meenakshi Upadhyay. She is working with us as an educator. So you can imagine the quality that we try to pour in. It's awesome, it's amazing, it's unmatchable, it's unbeatable. Nobody can beat this. So these are about lectures. Lectures ke baad you are given doubt sessions. Imagine a faculty of this caliber clearing your doubts. You are given mocks. We have 100 plus mocks uploaded full length as of now, as we're speaking. Mocks ke baad you have assistance in GDPI. And on top of everything, agar CAT didn't go well, we have complete courses for ZAT and MAT, IAFT, SNAP, MHCTs. Just imagine now. Just imagine. All of these courses only in 15,750. Well, this is the discounted price. You need to apply code. This is one code applicable. You can apply any code of your choice. If you have any other and you have to apply, you want to apply the code of any other faculty, you are free to do that. This is an optional code. If you wish to, this will ensure personal attention from my side. Sure. Let's start today's session. ठीक है? As said, क्या करने वाले हैं आज? Venn diagram, basics, revision. Venn diagram का बेसिक रिवीजन करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? Great, awesome. देखो, this would be completely theory based. For problems, I'll be coming up with another sessions. आज 2-3 क्वेश्चन करेंगे definitely to justify the theory that we learned today, but examination level तक आज नहीं जाने वाले. एग्जामिनेशन लेवल तक आज नहीं जाने वाले. ठीक है, चलो. Venn diagram, undoubtedly the king, the most important topic of CAT. By any means gain mastery over this topic. जैसे भी कर सकते हो, पूरी ताकत लगा डालो आपकी. ओके, पूरी ताकत लगा डालो, लेकिन इसमें मास्टरी लेकर मानो. फाइन, चलो. नाउ Venn diagram में what are the points that we need to learn? क्या क्या चीजें हैं that we need to learn? The first thing to learn is, देखो, all of us know that Venn diagram, it comes from the family of set theory. कैसे sir? How Venn diagram is from the family of set theory? What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a method to represent sets. Venn diagrams is one of the methods to represent sets. Yes. So it comes from the family of set theory. That's very true. If it comes from the family of set theory, we need to know set theory a little. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं. वो जो आप सोच रहे हो, number of sets, number of subsets, universal sets, number of joints, disjoint sets, इतना नहीं करना है. ठीक है, बट हाँ, definition, operations, types of set, कुछ चीजें पता होनी चाहिए आपको. तो set theory में we are mainly interested in how do we define sets. ठीक है. Second is, एक minute, this is actually irritating me. The second is, what are the major types of set. The third is definition के बाद types के बाद operations on set. And last but not the least, it goes by the name regions of set. अच्छा चलो, if I ask how will you define a set, क्या बोलोगे आप? आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? सोचो. How will you define a set? Set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Set is a collection of distinct defined objects. For example, one example is all the doctors in the country. Yes, ठीक है. Now it will form a set. ठीक है. Second set क्या हो सकता है? क्या हो सकता है? बहुत से all the engineers in the country. Set of all your brothers, set of all your sisters, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके. सेकंड हो गया टाइप्स ऑफ सेट. ठीक है. व्हाट आर मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ सेट? एक्चुअली बहुत सारे टाइप के सेट्स हैं. बहुत सारे टाइप्स ऑफ सेट है. ठीक है. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द मेजर वंस. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट वन कुड बी, जो आपको पता होना चाहिए, इज नल और वॉइड सेट. ठीक है. हाउ विल यू डिफाइन अ नल और अ वॉइड सेट? अगर आपसे किसी ने पूछ दिया व्हाट इज अ नल सेट, और पूछ सकते हैं कभी भी. ठीक है. So, as the name suggests, null or void set is a set which contains zero elements. ठीक है. जैसे जैसे मैंने आपसे बोला कि set of all the people aged above 1000 years. If I ask you to form a set of all the peoples whose age are above 1000 years, would you be able to form a set? Would you be able to form a set? नहीं ना. Hence that's not possible. ठीक है. चलो, I'll write down the major sets. आप एक काम करो, take 5 minutes and try to define all of them. ठीक है. null और void set, और भी टाइप ऑफ सेट्स है, लेकिन इतने आपको पता होने चाहिए. Take 2 to 3 minutes to define all of them. Give me a minute. Attempt it. Sorry. Sorry. Chalo. I'm there. I'm there. चलो, let's define this. आई होप आप लोगों ने एक सेंस बना लिया होगा इनका. ठीक है. वी हैव डिफाइंड नल और void set. Singleton set is a set which contains only one element. Finite set. एक इसका एग्जांपल सिंगल एलिमेंट, जैसे क्या बोल सकते हैं? हाँ, यस. सिंगलेशन सेट में क्या बोलेंगे, बोलो? All multiples of 7 between 10 to 20. Set of all multiples of 7 between 10 to 20. This could be a singleton set. Well defined. Yes. Finite sets. The sets in which number of elements are finite. The sets in which number of elements are finite. Take example. A set of all even numbers till 50. Till 50. ये finite हो गया. Infinite, which contains uncountable elements. Uncountable मतलब set of all even numbers और कुछ भी नहीं. Directly. Yes, sir. Equivalent sets. Equivalent sets are those sets which have whose cardinality number are equal. Whose same cardinality or cardinal numbers are equal. Cardinal numbers are equal. Now, these are not sets. These are sets. देखो मैंने sets लिखा है. These are pair of sets whose cardinal number are equals. अब ये cardinal number क्या है? What is this cardinal number? ठीक है. Cardinal number is nothing but number of elements present in the set. Cardinal number is nothing but number of elements present in a set. अगर एग्जांपल से समझाऊं आपको तो let there be set A. Set of even numbers टिल 10, ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा 2 4 6 8 10। ग्रेट। सेट बी, सेट ऑफ ऑड नंबर्स टिल 10, ये हो जाएगा 1 3 5 7 9। इसमें नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कितने हैं बेटा? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स है 5। इसमें नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कितने हैं बेटा? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स है 5। So cardinality of set A is 5, cardinality of set B is 5. Cardinal number of both of the sets A and B is 5. Yes, so they are equivalent sets. Equal, as name suggests, equal in all aspects. Same and equal elements. Equal sets, yes. अब equal sets define करना होगा, तो how to define equal sets? चलो एक काम करते हैं, इसको keep करके we'll start this again. There was some technical issue that would be resolved now. चलो, this was, देखो बड़े सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा, फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स ऑफ व्हेन। एक बार ये पूरा वीडियो आपने देख लिया, उस बाद कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए अच्छे वाले, यू विल बी डन विद द वेन डायग्राम्स। ठीक है, इक्वल एंड सेम सेट्स। यस, इक्वल एंड सेम सेट्स मतलब elements are equal and elements are same as well. If I write there is set C multiples of 2 till 10, again it is going to be 2 4 6 8 10. So this set A and C, they are equal sets. They are what? They are equal sets. Are we getting this? Yes sir, we are getting this. Chalo, moving ahead, is joint sets. Two sets which have none of the elements common. These are the two sets which have no element in common. एक भी element common नहीं है. जैसे जैसे set A and set B, set A and set B. Set A has 2 4 6 8 10. Set B has 1 3 5 7 9. ब्रॉडर सेंस में भी देख सकते हैं, इवन नंबर का सेट और ऑड नंबर का सेट ब्रॉडर सेंस में भी देख सकते हैं। यस और नो? यस सर। चलो, सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, हम लोगों ने सेट्स को डिफाइन कर लिया। वी आर इनटू टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स, वो भी क्लियर हो गया। दीज आर मोर और लेस थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट। अब आते हैं ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट। अब आते हैं operations on sets. There are three major operations on sets: the first, the second, the third. Try to name them. कौन से three? Think for 30-40 seconds. Try to name them. Which three? Yes, you might have guessed they are union, intersection, and the third one is the most uncommon, difference. What is union? What is intersection? What is difference? Union is also related to or in technical language. Intersection is also related to and in technical language. Difference is difference. इसका as such कुछ भी नहीं है. Difference is difference. इसका as such कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है? Great, sir. Fine. Let's move ahead, sir. Okay. अब देखो कैसा है कि इट्स बेटर टू अंडरस्टैंड यूनियन. अच्छा, यूनियन को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं? यूनियन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज, इधर लिख देता हूं, यूनियन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय दिस साइन. इंटरसेक्शन is represented by this inverted. ठीक है? This could be best understood with an example. Let us say there is set A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there is set B, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है? I want you guys to figure out what is A union B, what is A intersection B, and what is A minus B. Take a minute and check this out. Try karo, then we'll explain. We'll discuss this. So as I said, union is or. Union is treated as or. A union B is collection of all those elements which contain the elements of one or elements of A or elements of B. Okay? So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ask the question, is 1 in A? Yes, it should be part of the answer. Okay, great. A intersection B is and, matlab the element should be in A and B. A and B. 1 is in A, is it in B? No, sir. It is not the part of the answer in intersection. 2, no, sir. 3, no, sir. 4, yes, sir. 4 is in A as well as B. So definitely 4 is a part of the answer if intersection is asked. 5 and 6 as well. Difference. अब डिफरेंस कुछ लोगों को क्या लगता है? डिफरेंस ऑफ A minus B is sir 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Nah, beta, this is not the right answer. This is not the right answer. A minus B is A में से B को माइनस कर दो. A में से B को माइनस कर दिया तो A में B का पार्ट क्या है? 4, 5 और 6. So answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. And on the same note, अगर B minus A निकालना हुआ तो you need to subtract A from B. Now B में A का पार्ट क्या है? 4, 5 and 6. So B minus A is equal to 7 and 8. I hope you guys got this. I hope you guys got this. Sure. Now we will also understand this union and intersection का concept with the help of Venn diagram. Suppose this is A, this is B. This is my region 1, this is my region 2, and this is my region 3. Now when two sets overlap, let this be the scenario, and if I ask you what is A union B, what is A intersection B, and what is A minus B, what would you answer? Think of it. If I ask you what is A union B, what is A intersection B, and what is A minus B, what would you answer as the question? What would you answer to this question? Sure. Now the answer to this question would be A union B is R1 plus R2 plus R3. You want an element to be in A or B. So R1 is in A, yes sir, should be the part of the answer. R2 is in A, yes sir, it should be the part of the answer. R3 is in A, no, A में नहीं है तो और B यूनियन में, इसका मतलब और होता है. B में है क्या? Yes sir, B में है, should be the part of the answer. A intersection B is R2, the region which lies in both of them. A minus B is R1 and B minus A would be R3. अच्छा, आपने इक्वेशन भी एक पढ़ा होगा. There is a formula that relates them. Number of elements in A union B is nothing but number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. ठीक है? A intersection B के लिए भी फॉर्मूला है, कुछ नहीं, लेफ्ट का राइट, राइट का लेफ्ट. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A plus number of elements B minus number of elements in A union B. Right? Fine. चलो. एक फॉर्मूला ये भी है, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A यूनियन B यूनियन C, 3 सेट के लिए. अच्छा, ये जो है ना जनरली वेन डायग्राम को मैक्सिमा मिनिमा करने में यूज होता है. मैक्सिमा मिनिमा करने में यूज होता है ये. ठीक है. Number of elements in A union B union C is given by number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A union B, A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A, A intersection B intersection C. ये एक्चुअली बहुत काम में नहीं आता है कैट के वेन डायग्राम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. 3 सेट का यूनियन फॉर्मूला. चलो एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. सेट ए हैज 4 एलिमेंट्स. Set A has 4 elements. Set B has 7 elements. What is the minimum possible? What is the minimum possible elements in A union B? Think of it. What is the minimum possible number of elements in A union B? Think of this, try this. चलो, मिनिमम पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन ए यूनियन बी. देखो, ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू एन ए प्लस एन बी माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. दिस इज इक्वल टू 4 + 7. अब अगर आपको इसको मिनिमाइज करना है तो ऑब्वियसली इंटरसेक्शन को मैक्सिमाइज करना होगा. तो दोनों में, सेट ए और सेट बी में कितने एलिमेंट कॉमन हो सकते हैं मैक्सिमम? सेट ए और सेट बी में कितने एलिमेंट मैक्सिमम कॉमन हो सकते हैं? 4. पुट 4 ओवर हियर, कैंसल्ड आउट. द मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 7. मिनिमम वैल्यू इज 7. तो एक क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही लिया टू लेट यू नो कि ये मैक्सिमाइज मिनिमाइज करने के काम में आता है. ओके, चलो चलो. फाइन, सॉरी. नो, हमने सेट्स को डिफाइन कर लिया, हमने टाइप्स ऑफ सेट देख लिए, ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट देख लिया. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, रीजन्स ऑफ सेट. रीजन्स ऑफ सेट, जहां से सारे क्वेश्चन फ्रेम होते हैं. ओके, आई नीड सम मोर स्पेस. आई ड्रॉप दिस एंटायर नोट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आप लोग डाउनलोड कर लेना, ठीक है? ऑल ऑफ दीज नोट्स वुड बी अवेलेबल. I need some more pages. What we're about to discuss is regions of set. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अच्छे से ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है? चलो, तो इस पे ना केसेस बनाएंगे. सबसे पहले, when two sets overlap. When two sets overlap, these are my two sets, set A, set B. तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे है, when set A and B overlap, how many regions are formed? चलो, when two sets overlap, total 4 regions are formed. ठीक है, A, P, G, N. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन नहीं क्रिएट हो इसलिए इसको X एंड Y कर देते हैं. X and Y. ठीक है, देखो. Now I'll ask certain set of questions और उस पे फिर we'll try to figure out क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. तो सबसे पहले तो you should know कि ये जो पूरा डब्बा है that is nothing but universal set. तो सबसे पहले तो the most important equation that I have is U equal to A plus B plus G plus N. U is equal to A plus B plus G plus N. I can write this now. When I say set A na, I strictly mean this region. I strictly mean ये region. A मतलब ये और कुछ नहीं. B मतलब ये. ठीक है, चलो. Moving ahead, if I ask there is an element which lies in X, what are the possible regions where it could be found? What are the possible regions where it could be found? What are the possible regions where it could be found? Now, it could be found in A and G. If I say there is an element which lies only in X, it would be A then. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान रखना. ओनली वर्ड होना जरूरी है. ओनली, एक्सक्लूसिवली, ऐसा कोई कीवर्ड जो स्ट्रेस करता हो दैट वी आर इंटरेस्टेड ओनली इन एक्स, ऐसा कुछ कीवर्ड चाहिए. ठीक है, then and then only you can do this. Fine. If I ask you there's an element which does not lies in X, is B and N. Why not N? N भी नहीं लाई करता है ना X के अंदर. N is its own region. अच्छा, N को थोड़ा सा और क्लियरली अगर कर दूं मैं आपके लिए, तो this entire outer region, एक मिनट, N क्या है? दिस इंटायर आउटर रीजन. ये जो आउटर रीजन है ना, दिस इज माई N. डोंट इग्नोर N. ओके, चलो. So if there is an element which does not lies in X, it is B as well as N. Moving ahead. ठीक है, चलो आ जाओ. पेन कहाँ गया मेरा? पेन 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 पेन. फाइन. Let's use black color now. So if there is an element which lies in X and Y, what are the possible regions where it could be found? It is G. अच्छा, ठीक है. There is an element which lies in at most one set where it could be found. At most one set is given by at most व ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक सेट. So एक सेट और जीरो सेट n should be counted. At most one set ना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक सेट, मतलब you don't want two sets. G is eliminated. At least one set. कम से कम एक सेट चाहिए, तो इस बार n would be eliminated. Are you getting this? You have to move in the same way. अच्छा, दो सेट के ऊपर एक आधा क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं, रुको. For the naming ceremony of the baby, naming ceremony, there were 120 guests present. One, there were some guests present, some. 120 of those kissed the boy, kissed the baby boy. Okay, 80 took hands. 50 did both. 50 guests did both. How many guests were present in the ceremony? How many guests were present in the ceremony? ठीक है, answer this question. Read it couple of times, answer this question. You have 3-4 minutes for the same. You have 3-4 minutes for the same. Chalo, for the naming ceremony, let's attempt this question. I don't know what's the answer. We'll figure this out. Let this be. Okay. Now there is a basic assumption कि जो भी आए हैं उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ किया है. Either they have kissed or they have handshaked. ठीक है. चलो. 120 kissed with the baby boy. Fine. 80 shook hands. 80 मतलब this plus this. 120 मतलब this plus this. 50 guests did both. 50 यहां पर है. So this would be 70. 70 plus 50 is 120. This would be 30. So total number of guests present were 70 plus 50 plus 30 plus 0. 150 guests were there. Give me a second. I'll come back. Chalo, moving ahead. Moving ahead. अब क्या है कि दो सेट का होने के बाद overlapping of 3 sets. We will check the overlapping of 3 sets. X, Y, Z. Okay. When 3 sets overlap, how many regions are formed? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, N. 7 regions are formed. Seven? नहीं sir. Plus 1 N भी तो है. Total 8 regions are formed. Again, this is my universal set. We can have the same set of equations. U would be equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus N. We can proudly write this. कभी भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. If I say there is an element which lies in X, what are the possible regions? It would be A, D, G, F. Does not lies only in X. मैंने पहले ही बोला है. Only का अपना इंपॉर्टेंस है. Lies only in X. This is given by A. There is an element which lies only in X is given by A. ठीक है. There is an element which lies in X and Y. Is nothing but X and Y दोनों. D plus G. Again lies only in X and Y. Lies only in X and Y. It would be D. Are you getting this? Does not lies in X and Y. does not lies in x. अच्छा, does not lies in x is nothing but जो x में नहीं है is everything up after f which is not in x, b, e, c and n. तो इस तरीके से आप क्या कर सकते हो ना, पूरा का पूरा रीजन डिफाइन कर सकते हो. आपको इक्वेशन बनाना है एंड देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट प्रॉपरली. इक्वेशन बना के आपको प्रॉपरली सॉल्व करना होता है. ठीक है, 4 सेट्स चांसेस बहुत कम है. वी वोंट गो इनटू दैट. 2 सेट और 3 सेट मास्टरी कर लो. 3 सेट टू बी वो 3 सेट किया तो इट्स मच मोर बेटर. 3 सेट्स मास्टरी कर लो, यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग, यू विल कम टू नो एवरीथिंग. Fine. We'll solve one question on 3 sets as well. Yeah, chalo. We'll solve the questions in the next session. So what we have learned here is what is a set. We are like into Venn diagram ke theory. What is a set? Types of set, operations on set and regions on set. सारे questions regions पे frame होते हैं. ठीक है. A few of my videos are in the channel, Unacademy CAT के channel. There are 8 videos in which I have discussed questions on Venn diagram. You can go and watch them. For the practice questions. You'll get a variety of quality questions. Yes. Chalo. Having said that, I hope you are aware of my entire team. On Unacademy CAT channel, we work very hard starting from 9:30 in the morning till 11 p.m. in the night to provide you free content, and that too high quality content. This is absolutely free of cost. You can come, watch, learn, ace the examination. Those who are new, I do strongly recommend कि आप लोग ये चैनल ज्वाइन कर लेना अनअकैडमी कैट का टेलीग्राम पे. क्यों करना है, क्या मिलेगा आपको? तो आपको वहां पर सारे लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे, आपको सारे नोट्स मिल जाएंगे. कोई भी मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जामिनेशन मैनेजमेंट में अगर आया है तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा आपको. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, you can interact with the educators. If you have any query, you want to reach me out, you can join the channel. I am an admin on the channel. Look for Ashish Kumar. You can drop me messages personally. Okay, I will personally reply to all your queries. Like strategy के लिए कुछ भी हो, like for any query in the world, you can drop me a message. Chalo, subscription. Why it is important? It is very much important. क्यों? 2021 के लिए भी students have started to prepare, a lot of them, and if you are in 2020 still not started, it's very difficult to compare to come to the level of examination with the help of self-study, even if you are very smart, because the amount of time that is left now is very less. Subscription can boost your preparation. It can speed up your preparation. What do we provide? We provide you live classes. From plethora of faculties, educators, 50 plus. Arun Sharma sir is one of them. I mean, you can imagine the quality. You interact with the educators, not with one, but you can interact with all of them. Imagine interacting with your dream educator, Arun Sharma sir. You are asking him doubts, he is replying you personally. Just imagine. We give you mock test. If you're looking for some good mock series, we have 100 plus mocks in the package. Doubt clearing sessions. There is no life in CAT without doubt clearing sessions. Absolutely not. What you need to do, you need to download the Unacademy app, look for subscription. Now, this is the final price. All of this comes under only 15,750 for 1 year and 18,900 for 2 years. Although this is discounted price, you need to apply this code to get the instant discount. The prices will show higher. When you apply this, the prices will drop to this immediately. Okay. I do strongly recommend that students should go with 2 years package, and working professionals, they should go with an year's package. Students, they need one more attempt. Actually, it is the need of the hour, it is the demand of the examination. So you can reach me out, as I said, on the channel for any of the queries. Okay. Well, having said that, see you soon in the next video.